Hey guys, Shazad here. Today we'll be unboxing the Arzopa Z1FC portable gaming monitor from Arzopa. So this monitor comes in two sizes. One is a 15-inch, other one, this one, which is a 16-inch. These are 1080p IPS panels, and then they can, I think the refresh rate is 144 Hz on both sizes, and the response time is, if I'm not mistaken, 13 ms. Okay, so let's unbox this. As you can see, okay. So this monitor is mainly if you want something to play or connect to your work laptops, your portable handhelds, anything like that, right? And because the refresh rate is 134 Hz, you can use that one. And the main thing is because this usually you can get it between if you're getting for the 15-inch model, you can get it close to 75 to like $70 to 70 pounds, and this one you will get it between 75 to 80 pounds. But if you're ordering from AliExpress or anything like that, you will need to pay tax, so then it's gonna be close to 90 pounds. And I think Arzopa themselves, they are selling this one on cheaper, so like 90 to 100 pounds or $100 is the usually price for this one. One thing which I sort of miss, even though that's their premium monitor, they're not sending any covers for that, like if you want to take it out, especially if you're moving, which usually comes with these portable monitors. But that's it. It does have the built-in speakers, but I usually wouldn't use them unless you have to use them. So that's your OST button, which is the sort of like a menu. Then you have the volume buttons, power on and off. That's, I think, also the source button, so you can switch between. So it comes with a mini HDMI and the USB-C. So with the USB, you don't need, it can supply enough power, so you can just use one cable to charge it. While you're using the mini HDMI, you will need, because it doesn't have enough power and can't supply enough power, you'll need to plug another port, so to adapter, to any device, to power bank, and that should work. Okay, it's not plastic, and it doesn't feel as cheap if you're looking for the price itself. Quality is decent enough. I wouldn't say it's like really amazing if you compare to like Asus portable monitors, but they charge you like 200 to 300 pounds on the new ones, and you can get the used ones which are like close to 100. The thing is, and if you want to get like a gaming one, they are a bit more expensive, and while this one, it does at least offer you 144 hours. At the back it has some footrest, so when you're standing, okay, this is the sort of like stand which holds it, and it's quite decent. It's okay. It's not that like bad. You just have to be a bit careful with this one. Yeah, you can see, yeah, and it should be good to go. Okay, yeah, okay, let's see what else is here. So they do send you like a HDMI to mini HDMI, like a USB-C to USB-A, and then a small USB-C to USB-C. Okay, let me plug into my device. I'll show you. Okay, so I was mistaken. That is yeah. So this works as like a brightness on the sound. If I think it has speakers, I'm not sure on that. I'll need to check though. So okay, let's check. So keep forgetting this is not a portable monitor. So give me 1 second. Okay, so this is the peak brightness on the device itself. We're just gonna check the refresh rate here. So you can, like, if you like, you can set it extend mode, that should like turn on your device, which is okay, as both are 1080p, so it's That's ensemble. We're gonna do is we're gonna put it like that. You're always the source device will always be the first one unless it is in like if it's a laptop and you have full of the screen, then the other screen will come your main screen. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go to display. We're gonna go to okay. So even though it does say it has the option is limited though. Okay. So like on the box it does say it has the HDR, but it doesn't. It just has the sort of HDR streaming, which is, or I might be mistaken. Sorry. Yes, it has HDR. My mistake. Yeah, because on the box it did say it has HDR, but because I was looking at the first screen, so that's why I didn't check. But yes, it has. Just select here. You can turn on the HDR. So that's good. So if you want to use that, you can use it. Let's go to the display settings. Okay, so it also has 144 Hz. You can also lower to 120, 100 or 60. So usually you will use between 60 to 144. So because if you're on the battery, you don't have anything plugged in, and you're not playing something really high demanding, you can use this one, which is 60. That's more than enough. The quality seems to be quite decent though. Okay, so we just gotta okay. So I'm just watching a cricket game. As I said earlier, you won't be using the speaker on that. The quality looks quite nice though. Response is smooth as well. It's not like that bad. Because it is IPS monitor, and because it's a portable device, the brightness is a bit limited. With some content when you're playing on HDR, it might look a bit brighter, but I wouldn't get my hopes that high because with the premium HDR, you need a really decent device. Well, this is a portable, so it's gonna be limited, and for the price itself, the screen quality looks super nice. I wasn't expecting it to be this decent, but it is. And because I'm looking at the panel on the Rogue and the portable one here, and it looks super nice. Yeah, the screen looks nice. Let's just try to play something here. Or wait. Display settings. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's okay. Okay. I'm thinking, which game should I play? Okay, let's try playing this. I've forgotten the buttons all stuff for this. Anyways, because I'm on the battery, so I'm not gonna play it a lot. It's here. Yeah. So as you can see, the quality seems decent enough. For if you wanna have like a portable device, or you wanna like as a budget decent portable monitor, this is more than good enough. For the price itself, the quality is really good. This is not a sponsor video, and yeah. One thing though, even though it's metallic, it's around half of kilo, so it could be heavy, but that depends on you. And this one you will need to get like a case if you want to carry it around, because otherwise the screen will get like stretched. So yeah, that is it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Take care, have a good day, bye bye.